eggplant. Eggplant is tasty but not easy to handle. Prepare 1 chili. 1 is enough. Cut into small pieces. Eggplant cut into 1-inch thick. Ingredients: green chili, bacon, eggplant, green onion, pepper. Cooking oil. Put bacon. Stir fry bacon for 30 seconds. Add green chili. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add eggplant. Cook on medium heat. Stir fry for 3 minutes. When it's 80% cooked, add the sauce. Cook about 1 minute. Take it out. Cook eggplant this way is very tasty and easy to handle. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel.